Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys my top 20 must-have Apple Watch apps of 2019. These are apps that you can download all for free. They're very useful. Most of them also offer complications which you can add to your Apple Watch faces, and of course they are very useful and will make your experience on your Apple Watch way better. The first app for the video is called BatteryPhone. Now, of course, you can check the battery of your Apple Watch from your iPhone, but with this app installed, you will be able to check the battery of your iPhone from your Apple Watch. So once you enter the app, you can see right here, it will show you the charging state of your iPhone, also the percentage of charge. Also, you will see the Apple Watch battery percentage right there. Now, of course, the app also offers a complication. So you can see right here on the Apple Watch face, you will see that complication right there, which shows you the current state of the battery of your iPhone. And of course, if you tap on it, it will take you directly to the app. The next app for the video is called Trip. This app brings Twitter to your Apple Watch. So you want to have Twitter on your wrist, you can do that with this app. Now once you open the app, you will see here a few different sections. You can go to your home where you will see the feed of your Twitter account. So you can see right here the feed, the media, and everything will be right there. And of course you can go ahead and basically favorite or like posts directly from here. If you go back, you will have trending mentions, you will have your messages, all that, and you can go into different categories. Now some of these are paid, so most of them are free, but some are paid as well. So you want to go ahead and use all the features, you will have to pay for them. Converse is a very useful app for your Apple Watch. It allows you to easily translate everything you want. So just tap here to speak. Hello. And as you can see right there, it will instantly translate anything you say. Now, if you go back right here, you will have your recently used languages, and you will have all the languages right here to which you can translate as easy as that. So that's really awesome. Google Keep allows you to take notes on your Apple Watch. So all you gotta do is just go ahead and force touch on the app and click on text note. Now, of course, you can use different methods here to enter text. So let's just go ahead and use this one. And once you're good to go, just click done and you will have your notes right there. So if you go back, you will have a list of your notes. You can force touch on one of them and you can go ahead and just basically pin it to the top, or you can go ahead and archive that note as easy as that. MiniWiki is a very useful app. It's basically a mini Wikipedia for your Apple Watch. So you can go ahead, open the app, and you can read articles right there. You can search for articles you will have nearby. You will have your bookmarks, download, and you will have the most read right there. And of course, you have the settings at the bottom. So you can see right here, we'll have different stuff, and you can go ahead and read anything you want on Wikipedia directly from here. So you just scroll right here to move through the text. As you can see, it is really awesome. I really like the design of the app. It has a ton to offer right here, and you can read anything you want from Wikipedia directly on your Apple Watch. The next app for the video is called Noted. This is also a note-taking app, but it allows you to record your notes. So you will see all your notes right here. If you swipe here, you can go ahead and basically record a new note. So from here, just speak anything you want, and once you're done, just tap the check mark right there, and that will be saved right here under the recordings. So you want to go ahead and take a new one, you tap right there, and as you can see, it starts recording immediately. Once you're done, just click the check mark and you will have the new recording right here. Now, if you want to quickly record something, then you will have the complication of this app right there on your Apple Watch. Just tap on it and it will instantly start recording a new note. And another note-taking app that I had to put on this video is called Bear. This is a very useful app. It is very complete. It offers a lot. So you can see right here, this is the app. If you scroll down, you will have your notes right here. So you can see how beautiful that looks. You will have all your notes right here. And of course, you can go ahead and tap on one of them and you can go ahead and add anything you want to that note. Of course, it also has the iPhone app, which is very useful. Now you want to go ahead and add a new note. Just tap right there and you can go ahead and record notes. And of course, it also offers a complication on your Apple Watch faces. Just tap right there to quickly take a note. Currency is a very useful app. If you travel a lot, you want to have it on your Apple Watch, you can go ahead and basically calculate different currencies. So right here at the top, you can go ahead and just enter any amount you want, and then you can go ahead and convert that, for example, from European euro to dollars here, Canadian, American, British pound, anything you want. So you will have all the currencies right here, and you will see it's updated very frequently. Now if you go to the second page right here, we'll have the different charts on how the currency moves. So you can see here US dollars to euros. You will see right here how it moves. It's really useful. Bring is a very useful app for shopping. So if you go ahead and install the Bring app on your iPhone, you can go ahead and create your shopping lists from there, and they will appear right here on your Apple Watch. So you're going to go ahead, go shopping, you will have the list right here on your Apple Watch, and you can see right here what you have to buy. Basically, the stuff that you have to buy will be red, and once you have bought something, you just tap on it and it will turn green, and it will also update on your iPhone. So anything you go ahead and buy, you tap here or you tap on your iPhone, it will be updated on both devices. And once you're done, you can see nothing to buy. It will remove everything if you have already bought anything that you have on your list. Flipboard is one of the best Apple Watch news apps that you can get. So of course you will have to install the iPhone app, and from there you can choose a few different categories in which you're interested on, and it shows you here some of the top news from your feed. You can swipe like this to go between different news, and of course you can scroll down to read anything you want on that article. Heart Analyzer is a very useful app that you must have on your Apple Watch. It will analyze your heart beatings, all that you will see right here. You will have your current heart beating, then you will have the minimum and the maximum, and it will also show this chart right here. Then you will see also the average for today, yesterday's average, and all that useful information right there. And you can see also right here when you're walking, outdoor walk, and exercising, you will see the heart rates right there. And if you go to your Apple Watch face, you will see right here the complication. It shows you the current heart rate, and then it shows you on the left side the lowest heart rate and also the highest heart rate on the right side. Yahoo Weather is one of the best weather apps that you can get on your Apple Watch and on your iPhone as well. So you can go ahead and use your current location, or you can go ahead and just choose any city you want, and it will be displayed right here. So it will show you the current temperature, the weather condition right there. You can scroll down here to see the weather forecast for the whole day. You can see right here, just scrolling, it shows you the time right there, and the weather that will be on that time. Now if you just switch right here, you can switch to another city that you have on the list. So all these cities can be added on the iPhone app of the Yahoo Weather, and then you can switch between them as easy as this and just take a look at their weather conditions. Merriam Webster is an app that will show you the definition and also the spelling of any word that you want. It's very easy to use. All you gotta do is just say a word, and it will show you all the definitions and basically the spelling of that word. As you can see right here, I just said running, and it will show me right here the definition, also the spelling right there, and you will see also here different definitions and uses of that word. Now if you go back right here to the main page of the app, you can see the app is very simple. All you gotta do is just tap right here and say any word you want. Voice Record is a very useful app. It allows you to make voice records, also play them right here on your Apple Watch. So you can see right here we'll have a list of a few things. The first one is play, the second one is record. So if you want to record, you go here. This is a test voice record. Once you're done, you tap the stop button, and then if you go to play, you will have right here your records that you have done. So you go ahead and just basically go ahead and tap on any of them, and it will show you recordings. It will show you the date and everything right here, the size of the recording, and you can go ahead and play it right here. The app also offers a watch face complication, which you can add to your watch faces. You tap right there and it takes you directly back into the app. Shazam is a very popular app for the iPhone, but you can get it on your Apple Watch as well, and it is really useful. This is the app right here. Of course, you can tap there to start listening, or you can see your recent Shazams right down here just by scrolling the wheel on your Apple Watch. Now, the Apple Watch app of Shazam also has a complication to offer, which of course you can add on any of your watch faces. And from here you can quickly start listening by tapping on the complication right there. As you can see, it will immediately start listening. The ESPN Apple Watch app is a must-have app for all sports fans. You will see the recent scores of your favorite teams right here. Now, of course, you will need to install the iPhone app of ESPN, and right there you will choose your favorite leagues and your favorite teams, and then you will have the results right here. Once you open the app, you will see a list of the recent results of any of your teams. Now you can tap on one of them to see like more details, information regarding the games, when they will be played, and all that. Activity Tracker is a must-have app if you like to walk a lot or run. Then you will have all the information right here on your Apple Watch with this app. So it will show you the steps right here. It will show you the burned calories and the miles that you have walked or run, and then it will give you more details, information right here, like it will show you the hour and how many steps you have took during that hour. That's really awesome. Now, if you go to your Apple Watch faces, you will also see right there a complication of this app. All you gotta do is just tap on it and it will take you right back to the app. Moment Cam is an app that lets you control your iPhone's camera directly from your Apple Watch. Of course, you can do that as well with the stock camera app of Apple, but this one has more features. Now, of course, you will have to have the Moment Cam app on your iPhone and use that to take pictures. So you can see right there, you can take a picture as easy as that. And you force touch, you can go ahead and switch the camera. You can switch to the front-facing camera. You can go to the timer, to the slow shooter, or you can switch to video directly from here. This is something that you cannot do with the stock camera app of Apple. You can see right there, as easy as that, you can switch from like camera to the front camera to the video to the slow motion and all that directly from your Apple Watch. Motivation is a simple app, but I really like it. What it does is that it displays like different motivational quotes right here on your Apple Watch. So you just install the app and all you gotta do is just open it, swipe like this, and it will show you like different motivational quotes that you can have right here on your Apple Watch. And last but not least is an app called Any.do. This is a very useful app that allows you to set like different reminders, add different tasks that you have to do during the day right here on your Apple Watch. So once you open the app, you will see here a list. You will have all of the tasks right there at the top, and you will have different categories down here. You have your personal, your grocery list, and also the work. So if you go to your task right here, you can tap on it, of course, to go ahead and take a look at the task, and you can go ahead and add a reminder for that. You can see as easy as that. You can add subtasks to that, or you can go ahead and add also different notes to that task. As easy as that, you can go ahead and also create like different notes and different tasks and have them right here on your Apple Watch. So that's it for this video, guys. These are my top 20 must-have Apple Watch apps of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to find some really useful Apple Watch apps that will make your life easier and make your Apple Watch more useful. So if you want to see more Apple Watch videos, make sure you subscribe. I will be releasing a ton of videos once watchOS 6 is out, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to not miss any of those videos. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.